General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Okay. Still float. Why is this banner still up? Okay. Let's go here. Fourth quarter. It is the middle of the month now. Today's the 14th. Anchor point is confirmed. It was Wednesday. Yeah. So let's see if we can really say it's TGIF. So from here to here, TGIF. Oh, most definitely. Even more. And what kind of helped it was we had that regular trading hour opening range gap. So point confirmed. It was Wednesday. Yes. 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 Okay. 15. It's more than enough, but let's just look at it from here. Came down, New York reversal, no S&T. That PPI is a lie. We didn't have PPI, so I believe we did have retail sales. Retail sales weren't bad, and the data is not bad. So the Fed is gonna have to cut rates. They just playing. Mm, New York reversal, profile classic. Um, Everybody who was looking TGIF got it. Probably was hard to catch though. That VIX is high. Um, H1. This was the entry for the week, Thursday, to clear this out. We ended up getting this week low too. So that's important. Mm, let's see here. Mm, it looks like the classic V-shape recovery. Um, and we took out previous week's low. I still think we can go lower. Classic V-shape recovery. Look at the daily. Doji Day. Doji Day. Let's look at silver. Silver did the thing. Silver, when I was looking at silver, my biggest takeaway is you gotta trade this in Asia. That's the New York is not giving it to you. It's Asia. It's an Asian session asset. Asia session asset. You gotta catch it going through a key level and just ride it. If you can make it through London, that'll be best. This London, this is really the play right here. This is the Thursday. This London SMT, but you wouldn't even know till right here. So this is what 7:30. This London high today, 2 to 4. Did I already get this? I did. I need the link. Thursday, London high today. Okay, one shot, one kill for the week on silver. London, Asia wouldn't have got you in right there. Asia would have got you in. That's actually daily. No, yeah, it's daily. H1. I mean, go. We came to that fair value for bond today. Took out Tuesday. We didn't take out the original consolidation. We getting close to silver bullet. Where is it? Here we go. OTE. Ooh, that's super high. It kind of lines up with. It's probably a breaker here at this low, this large down candle. Kind of look at this consolidation. There's probably something here. 50% though. Set a limit here and set a TP there. That's the silver bullet. Be probably London sometime of the week. That'll be it for the sale. I mean, it might keep selling. I think, oh, excuse me. I think Larry Williams got a burp. I want burp. See if the coffee helped. Kinda. But Larry Williams is bearish on gold. Okay. Here it looks like he's setting up silver bullet, the old school one from ICT 2016 era. Okay, let's keep this here though. It'd be beautiful if we engineer low too, or if we gap up. Oh, I would love it. Still got this accumulation here. Just a nice down day. We almost closed through the second one, but we respected the daily fair value gap. Almost got a 1 for 2, but we didn't close below the second candle, second up candle. Okay. This, give me this price point. This is 46.8. Okay. And this is 46.880. Okay, we're gonna keep this one. Our swing objective. So we still got $4. We can get it. We ain't miss it. We just got the confirmation. Cause up here, this is scary because we got all this, and then it's just like, and then everybody's like, this thing's gonna go to the moon. This needs to be on 15 minutes. I'm excited about Euro. It's still being Euro with the choppiness, even though we all know where you're going up. But the GBP people is probably ecstatic because they probably getting better moves. I don't even want to look at the chart because I'm sticking with Euro. I've been doing Euro since I flipped the notion. right, this delivery. New York reversal? Nah, not really. Because London, like both sides of Asia was taken. So also no, we didn't sweep the engineer liquidity. Can I not do that? Okay. We didn't sweep the engineer liquidity. Mm-mm. So those lows need to be ran. Okay. Okay. We got the bullish S&T here before we got. Hold on. Well, it's only can go to 5 to 930, so it's somewhere up in here. It's probably not showing up good. Did I? Can I see it good here? Yeah, it was right here. It just shows up tacky on this review. Nevertheless, came up, created a failure swing. Technically, we still need this high too. So we got some targets. So H1. It's also going to be previous week's high for next week. It's a closed market. Solano is the most interesting crypto. I think you can trade Solano every day. Daily turn range liquidity plus daily inefficiency. Smack that, but we didn't get the whole weekly high. So all this is engineered for this. This is engineered to be ran lower. We can retrace here. Monday low still ain't got. We stair stepping though. I'll take a sweep here and just leave. Let's delete this. We don't need this. I will use that because Saturday I gotta do weekly stuff. Engineer highs and lows. I'm thinking low first. Pair orders. And get in on the swings. Okay. Let's go to the daily. Let's see this. So this was we needed buy side. Looks like we got buy side and sell side, but we left a volume imbalance. See that? To close here, but we opened here. It's backwards. Lots of gaps still though. I think this kind of stands out. We retraced, respected 50% of this candle. So next candle we could push up. Okay. Well, 50% trace and respect the range from here. I still want to sweep at a low, but daily is like we really don't need it. These we still need sell side delivery, but right now the algorithm is printing buys. We ain't got no sell program. Stay in buy program. Time frame is bullish. And we don't need this. Time start doing those type of videos. Play out, yeah. Everybody want TGIF. I can wait all week. A good one. Be satisfied. Stay patient. I'm gonna clean this up to where it don't say that on a Friday, because that don't even make sense. It just needs to be done, because next quarter it can't be doing that. That's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.